Cik Su ni. So hari ni Cik Su akan buat satu video kat hampa. Hari tu kan Cik Su pergi KL Beauty Week. And now Cik Su nak buat unboxing what I got and what I bought. Okay, apa yang I beli and I dapat dekat KL Beauty Week tu. And as a beauty content creator yang buat beauty, buat makeup, I think that's the right place for you to, you know, explore. Orang kata explore, tengok-tengok brand-brand lokal dan juga ada yang bukan lokal juga dekat sana. So kalau hampa nak be part of the KL Beauty Week, hampa boleh join the next year punya, okay? This is what I got and I bought from KL Beauty Week. Thank you so much guys. Siapa yang tengok video ni, tengok je lah okay? Let's share with you what I got and what I bought. The first item I beli is contact lens, okay? From Season Optical. This is a contact lens yang I beli dekat depa. Depa jual 5 kotak RM90 and this is a power lens. And right now, actually, I pakai one of the lens in the code Hazel. Can you guys see that? Dia beli 5 RM90 and then I got a free dia punya tempat cuci contact lens tu, and then I dapat dia punya casing dengan dia punya tempat nak menitik dalam tu, okay, the casing. And then I got a free card holder, dia bagi dekat I, card holder from Season Optical. And then this one is a free contact lens. I dapat free contact lens. Okay, so these are this one is the first item from Season Optical. Yay! Next item I dapat is from Alia. This is press on lashes tau. I tak pernah pakai press on lashes. So this is actually my first time gonna try this press on lashes. I got in the same code. So dia buat promo time tu was buy 2 free 1. So I got the 2 and the free 1 I gave to my friend out. So actually this is like a very new thing for me. I tak pernah pakai this kind of thing. So literally I'm so excited to try this out. Okay, so let's try it out, okay? Okay, mak dah rensep because mak dah record tapi tiba-tiba suara tu tak ada. So last kali mak kena record again. Okay, so now I nak cakap yang I dapat this is from Rox Beauty. I dapat a eyebrow pencil. Okay, and also I dapat dia punya lipstick. Okay, this lipstick is so cute. Okay, and it's in the code Ruthless. This one is from a Singapore brand and they came to KL Beauty Week to buka a booth. So kalau siapa yang nak beli, nanti ada link Rox Beauty, you all boleh cari this link. Okay, I got from Dodo Dots. They gave me a bunch of Dodo Dots. Literally, I suka gila Dodo Dots. And they gave me the new one, which is the micro needle acne pad. Siapa yang ada jerawat tu, yang tak mau picit jerawat, yang rasa macam nak hygienic sikit, hang pakai yang acne micro needle ni. So dia rasa hygienic and then nanti bila hampa pakai, hampa nanti dia akan meletup sendiri lah. Macam tu. Macam Cik Su ada kat dahi ni, nampak tak ada bekas patch tu? Ada bekas patch tau. So siapa yang nak beli dekat Dodo Dots ni, okay? This one, I bought this one. This one is the L'Oreal Paris Panorama Mascara and the setting spray. I heard a lot about it and I really wanted to try the setting spray sangat-sangat because one of my close friend dia pakai and dia kata memang tahan gila, matte and tak luntur makeup hampa. So memang I nak try. Panorama Mascara ni memang nombor 1. Siapa yang nak bulu mata panjang, lengthy and memang volumized, this is the good one that I pernah this is the good one yang I pernah pakai. So L'Oreal, love. Next, I got this from SFJ. Thank you so much for giving out to me. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, dia ialah a brand that buat cosmetic product untuk orang lain. So dia buat packaging and stuff like that. So thank you so much bagi I try and I nak tengok apa yang I dapat dalam bag ni, okay? And then I got this Adore fragrance. Okay, this fragrance is only RM41.90. I beli dekat booth tu. Tapi they said it is available in Guardian. So siapa kat sini yang nak beli a fragrance yang letak dalam bag, yang comel-comel, yang berwangi tahan lama, boleh pakai this one. This one is from Adore fragrance. Okay, Adore fragrance ni bau dia sangat-sangat wangi and it's for her. I beli yang for her lah. For he pun wangi gila. It's giving like a Zara punya bau tau. Tapi yang perempuan punya ni memang rasa sweet, rasa macam long lasting, rasa extra because I am extra. So that's why I bought this from Adore fragrance. Thank you so much. Beri layanan baik dekat I. Kadang-kadang yang perfume ni suka pushy-pushy tapi yang ni macam tak. Yang ni macam dia relax, dia macam layan I and then I macam okay, let's just support you while you are in the market right now. So sekarang ni I nak support you. So siapa-siapa kat sini yang nak beli fragrance, Adore fragrance ni boleh cari dekat Guardian. Okay, it's only in Guardian, okay? And last but not least, I want to share with you guys is this. The reason why I went to KL Beauty Week is because of Says Lady. So I got a PR from Says Lady. Thank you so much. Dia bagi semua lip matte dia, okay? Soft lip matte dia, okay? Dekat I, and you all boleh try this lip matte. It's a soft matte lip cream. Soft matte lip cream. Siapa kat sini ada masalah bibir merekah tu, boleh pakai yang hak ni lah. Hak ni dia memang senang untuk pakai, and also dia tak rasa irritated, and then kalau nak semayang ke, nak cuci makeup ke, senang dia nak keluar, okay? Tapi bila makan dia hilang lah, cuma cantik colour dia, okay? It's very like a Korean skin punya colour. So siapa kat sini yang nak try, boleh try from Says Lady, okay? Until here saja I buat my unboxing, what I got and what I bought from KL Beauty Week. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, do subscribe to me and also follow me on my Instagram and also my TikTok. So thank you so much semua yang sokong Cik Su. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!